In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to your Wix website. This tutorial will guide you through the process, making it simple and straightforward. Let's dive into the steps and enhance your website's visual appeal by adding a full-page background. To get started, open your Wix editor or Wix Studio and navigate to your desired page. The first step is to click on any blank area of your page. It's important to click on a space where there are no existing elements or text, so that the page options appear. Once you've done that, you'll notice an option labeled Change Page Background. This is your doorway to transforming the visual backdrop of your page. Within the Change Page Background menu, you'll find several options including the choice to add an image. If you have a specific image in mind that you wish to use, you can upload it directly from your computer. However, if you're looking for inspiration or need a professionally curated image, fear not. Wix offers an extensive library of complementary images provided by Unsplash, a platform renowned for high-quality, free-to-use photographs. So feel free to explore this collection to find an image that best suits your site's vibe. Once you've selected or uploaded an image, it's time to set it up just right. The settings section allows you to tailor the image's display to fit your aesthetic preferences and functional needs. The position setting lets you determine where on the page the image will focus, whether centered, aligned to the top, or elsewhere. You'll also encounter the scale option, which offers you 3 ways to present your background: fit to screen, tile the image across the page, or stretch it to ensure it covers the entire background area seamlessly. In addition to these settings, you have some fascinating scroll effects at your disposal. These effects can bring dynamic movement and engagement to your website. The parallax effect offers a depth illusion, making the background move slower than the foreground. The reveal effect gradually unveils the image as the user scrolls, and the freeze effect keeps the background static while you navigate through the other elements. Remember, these customization options will apply only to the current page background you're working on, ensuring you can give each page its own unique touch if desired. Experiment with these settings to discover what best accomplishes your design goals. By following these steps, you'll be able to transform your Wix website with an engaging background image that captures the essence of your brand or message. So go ahead, try it out, and watch your webpage aesthetics take a significant upgrade.